All right, at this point, we've taken a look at these static pages that were generated by Rails Generate Controller, and then with the names of the actions. Now I'd like to actually put some custom content in these pages. So let's start with the home page. Actually, we can just select in here. Change the top level heading. This H1 just refers to a top level heading. You can see its effects here. It's just it's set in bold with a larger font size. And then there's a paragraph here, and I actually want to put in a new line. You can see here that the IDE actually put in an extra indentation level right there. It's a little convenient touch. I'm going to put in a link with an anchor tag, the href, which is the hyperref. This is the URL. You can see it also puts in the end tag, which is convenient. That was not, I did not do that. That was the IDE automatically doing it. Actually, I'm going to put in a new line here, just to keep everything in a nice alignment. Okay, so let's save that and take a look. Refresh it, and there it is. Now sample app. This is the home page for the Ruby on Rails tutorial. And you can actually see at the bottom of the screen, if you look down in this area, it shows you the URL. Of course, that's specific to this browser. I'm using Chrome here. But most browsers will give you some information about what the URL is. All right, let's add some custom content for the help page. Let's take a look at this here. Help, and this is the actual help. I mean, this is useful. So this is how you get, oops, I want to put this in here. This is how you get help. There's actually a help section on the Rails tutorial website. So at the, again, I want an anchor tag, the hyperreference or hypertext reference. So what I did there was I typed tab because there was some completion. Basically what's happening there is the IDE is seeing that there's a string somewhere else in the system, somewhere else in the project, and it's giving me a chance to complete it, which is really quite convenient, especially if you have like long class names. Okay, so it's at railstutorial.org/ and then it's an ID on the page. It's help. Oops, herp. Help. And there you can end the tag there. Rails tutorial help section, and then that's if you want help on the Rails tutorial itself. Of course, if you want help on the sample app, you can see these screencasts, or you can see the Rails tutorial book itself. Let's see if that worked. It looks good.